Hello everyone! Today we continue working with the multifunctional pattern for dresses. I've already showed you 3 dresses made using one and the same pattern. Today we're going to make one more dress on its basis. Have a look at the sketch. This is a dress with a deep neckline, half-circle flounce, and lace details on the shoulders. Have a close look at the sketch. I know that such necklines fit me well. Such flounces suit different types of bodies. The details on the sleeves can be of any form. You can also decorate the necklines with the lace. Let's start working with the dress. Have a look at the back details. I made them 30 cm shorter. I haven't changed anything, just made them shorter. I did it because I'm going to make a 30 cm wide flounce at the bottom. This is the front detail. It was also made 30 cm shorter. Guys, the technique is absolutely amazing. Make a pattern on a piece of tracing paper and make different dresses on its basis. The best thing about this technique is that you don't need to insert sleeves. It's very difficult for some people. Dolman sleeves are very convenient. Let's start with the neckline. This is how my neckline is going to look like. It will be pretty deep and wide. First I want to make the necklace 3 cm wider. I need to match the shoulders to do this. Next I need to make the front neckline 9 cm deeper. I'll also make the back neckline a bit deeper. This is how the neckline looks like now. I can start cutting it. When making round necklines, make sure that this angle is right. The neckline is ready. Let's have a look at the lace details. I don't want to waste lace, so I'm going to make this detail just on one shoulder. The width, the shape, and the length of the lace detail depends on the size of a piece of lace you have. I can make it this way. Use your imagination. Make this detail of any shape you want. I'll even make it wider on the front. You should cut the 2 details at once for them to be even. I'm not going to do that now because I don't want to waste lace. First cut the detail on the shoulder and then make lace one. Do not forget to add 1.5 cm for the seams to the round sides. You do not necessarily have to make these details of lace. You can make them of different fabric. Use your imagination. I'll sign that this is the wrong side. Next I'm going to cut these details of lace and then tack them in the dress. I need to add 1.5 cm for the seams to the round edges. Don't add anything to the other side. You can cut lace in any direction. It depends only on the pattern of the lace. Next, I need to cut one more lace detail. Next, I need to tack the lace details to the dress. The width of the seam is 7 mm. Of course, you should attach such details to both sleeves. I'm going to attach it just to one sleeve. I want you to learn how to work with lace. Cut the details however you like. Make them of any shape you want. When I tack the lace details, I'll start taking the side and the shoulder seams. After that, the only thing left to be done will be to make the flounce. Be very attentive. Make sure that there are no folds on the lace details. The first detail is almost ready. This is how the lace detail looks like on the back shoulder. Next, I'll tack the lace detail to the front shoulder. This is the shoulder seam, and it's also the center sleeve. This is how the lace detail looks like. I've already tacked the second shoulder. Have a look at the shoulder. Next, I need to tack the side seams. After that, I'll start making the flounce. The width of the dress is 60 centimeters. That means that 1/2 of these measurements is 30 centimeters. These are the measurements I need to make a flounce. The flounce will be 30 centimeters long because I made the dress 30 centimeters shorter. Now I can start cutting the flounce. This piece of fabric is 1.4 meters wide. I folded it in half, so it's 70 centimeters wide now. It's also 70 centimeters long. First, I need to measure 30 centimeters up from the bottom. It should also be 30 centimeters wide here. I think that it's correct. Have a look at what I'm doing. Put the needed mark on the top and make beam-like moves to draw a line. Let's check it. 30 centimeters. Very nice. The length of the flounce is also 30 centimeters. Next, I need to draw the bottom line. When I cut the flounce, I'll show you how it looks like. This is the half-circle flounce. Sometimes a quarter-circle flounce is enough. Sometimes it's better to make a circle flounce. I'm making a half circle flounce. I'll explain why. Have a look at the half circle flounce. It takes just a couple of minutes to make such flounce. Next, I'll take it to the dress. There's just one seam in the flounce, so I'll take it to one of the side seams. I'll show you how it will look like. Have a look at the flounce. The most biased parts are here. These parts were cut on a grain. These parts stretch the most, so they should be attached to the front and the back. The flounce should be tacked to the bottom of the dress. Make sure that the flounce seam matches one of the side seams. Don't hurry, be accurate and attentive. You'll be so happy when you learn to use one pattern for different designs. The most important thing is that even though the dresses will be made on the basis of the same pattern, they will be absolutely different. I'm taking the flounce to the bottom. Have a look at the dress. It's decorated with the lace details and the flounce. Next, I'll try the dress on. Have a look at me. Your dresses will look much better because you will make two lace details instead of one. The best thing about this technique is that you don't need to calculate or measure anything. Use your imagination to create different interesting designs. You can make anything you want. I'll show you many more dresses on the basis of this pattern. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. My name is Paukšte Irina. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos and press the like and bell buttons. Thank you. Goodbye.